Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about arrays in Python. In programming, an array is a collection of elements of the same type. Arrays are popular in most programming languages like Java, C, C++, JavaScript, PHP, and so on. However, in Python they are not that common. When people talk about Python arrays, more often than not, they are talking about Python lists. We can treat lists as arrays. However, we cannot constrain the type of elements stored in a list. If you create arrays using array module, all elements of the array must be of the same type. Lists are much more flexible than arrays. They can store elements of different data types including string. Also, lists are faster than arrays. Let's start by creating a new file. Let's name this file array. Let's define few subjects like English, math, physics, and chemistry. Let's print this. And here is the result. And we can show any element by using this index number. The index number always starts from 0. Let's create another array for marks obtained in these subjects. So the marks in convert this integer into a string. And here is the result. Marks in English are 40. We can modify any element anytime using its index number. And here you can see that the marks 40 now changed to 50. And we can print like this from index 1 to third element. So the index is 0, 1, 2, 3 and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. So start from index 1 to the element number 3. So the result will be math and physics. And if we remove this 3, then it will show all the elements after first index. So it will show all the elements from index 1. And if we remove this one, then it will show all the elements. And we can calculate total marks by using a function sum. So sum of these arrays, and then print this total marks. So here is the result. Let's print subjects and marks. And here it is. Let's delete a subject. We can delete subject from any index. So I'm giving index 3rd, and I'm also removing marks from the index 3rd. Let's show these subjects and marks here. And these are the subjects before deletion, and these are the subjects after deletion. We can also add to our existing array by using this append function. Subjects append bio, and marks append 42. And here it added at the end of the array subject bio, and in marks 42. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.